Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Technology, and today in this video tutorial I will show you guys how to install Kubernetes on your Windows 11 PC or laptop. So you just need to follow me. At first you just need to go to your start menu and open terminal. After open terminal, type WSL space -- install all the command I will put on my video description. Now it will install Windows Subsystem for Linux on your Windows computer. After installation done, you need to restart your PC. After restart, it will pop up one CMD screen and it will show you downloading Ubuntu, so you have to wait for a few minutes. After Ubuntu installation done, you have to create one account and you have to set the password for your Ubuntu. Now I'll set Windows Subsystem for Linux version 2 on my computer. For that I have to type WSL space -- set -default -version space 2. If Ubuntu automatically not install on your computer, you have to manually put the command which is WSL space -- install -t Ubuntu. Next you need to install Docker Desktop. So for that you need to go to this website and download the Docker for your Windows computer. On Docker Desktop, you need to log in with your Gmail account or any other account like Microsoft account. To install Kubernetes from your Docker Desktop, simply you need to click on Settings. After that, click on Kubernetes, and after that, you just need to enable Kubernetes and click on Apply. After that, it will take near about 2 to 5 minutes. And now as you can see, it is showing running. To verify the installation, you can put this command on your terminal. So I hope this quick tutorial really helped for you, and please don't forget to click on the subscribe button, like button and share button, and if you have any queries or question then comments down below. I will see you guys on the next video. Till then, bye bye, take care.